Hi everyone, welcome. So many of you might be wondering, how do they print on cups? How do they print on water bottles? How do they print on cans like this one that you are seeing on the screen here? So in this week tutorial, I'll be teaching you on one practical way on how to print on stuff as this. First and foremost, the machine that is being used to make the printout is called the UVDTF machine. Yes, this is the one that you are seeing on your screen right now. Yes, this is the machine that is being used to generate the printout. So these are how it looks like I said before, it's called UVDTF, and these are the printout of the jobs that we want to do. So I'll be teaching you on the practical step on how to print on mug, water bottle and water can. So once we are done with the printing, we have to cut the different jobs out, cut out the different jobs, the different sizes. We have to cut them out to separate them individually because we'll be pasting them on different items. So for this water bottle, we'll be pasting this one, and like as you can see, we are peeling off the outer layer. Yes, and you need to do it gently so you don't peel off the right up together. So you need to do it very gently. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just watch and learn. So the next thing that you need to do, you need to get the right measurement and the right shape in order for the right top to align and be straight on the item or the object that you want to paste it. So once you do it, ensure your hand is straight. Ensure your hand is straight, then paste it. You need to stick it just the way I'm doing it. Make it firm on the body of the items. Once you are done, the next thing is to peel the outer stickers. There's another sticker that is covering the main right up. You need to peel it off. Yes, look at the way I'm peeling it so gently. And if you are here to like any of our videos, please like, subscribe to our channel so that when we post most of this content, you will be among the first people to see it. In as much as there are other ways to do this printing, but this is one particular way at which most of these mug cup, these water bottles, this water can are being printed. Look at the way it is. It is so beautiful, so adorable, so eye-catching. You too can also do this for your customers. It's very simple, very easy. This is one way to print on mug cup. So friends, this is it. And if you're just in our video for the first time, my name still remains Prime Concept Showroom. We come here every week to showcase one or two printing tips that you can learn and be a boss for yourself. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like our page, and always come back every week for we have some goodies. Till I see you next week, love you and I always love you. Bye.